morning. With me, Ida here in my vlog for today. So don't bored for my video. Okay, this is morning after fire subuh. That's why I just wearing my mukana here. I'm really just wake up here. I was dream about room, so dark room. I don't know, but so scared. Cause sometimes I'm really scared about dark room. Look at this. Maybe I just want to prepare for going campus again. Yeah, guys. But I'm still sleepy here. Look at my eyes, still sleepy here. Yeah, still dark outside. That's so early morning. Today just one subject for speaking class by Mr. Bayu Islam. So I want to prepare early morning for breakfast. Oh my gosh, look at this. In this morning, don't forget to breakfast, guys. You breakfast, yeah. Don't forget. Today or yesterday, it's very cold. Cause yeah, this was for rainy day. I don't know, but this is so cold weather because yeah, because rainy. Start from afternoon until night, and then now it's nothing rain. But I don't know later. Maybe it will rain again. That's why we will prepare for protect when we find rainy in the road. Look at this. My lip is hurt. Hurt, guys. I don't know. I just wake up and then my lip is very hurt. Maybe it's black. Oh my gosh, it's really hard to speak because my lip is very hurt, guys. I just want to take a medicine. It's not make more hurt. I was dream my friend to riding motorcycle. But yeah, I say I called her name, but her not notice me. I don't know why. Her ride motorcycle and go far. I'm not find her again. I don't know the meaning of this dreaming. And so many my friend, so many old friend in my dream, like voice. And I just find room is not dark. This is look like school, like so many clash, but the clash is very darkness. And yeah, it's so dirty. Why the classroom is dirty? I don't know. This is my room. My classmate like the room is very dirty and dark, and I'm not one to join classes. It's very darkness. It's nothing light. Every I see room is dark. That's why I'm so confused about this dream. Are you was to dream like me? You know, I have a story about my friend online. My friend, yeah, virtual friend. She wanna give me book. This is my favorite book, and she's want to buying me. Like what the hell? I don't want. Like I'm not forcing her. Just her say just give me your just give me, cause I'm not give you when your birthday yesterday. Then yeah, I just uh give her my location here to sending me the book. This book. This just fiction novel about gangster and motorcycle group. It's very sad ending. Cause his boyfriend is so green flag and her girlfriend is very red flag. I just save my memories for this novel. I have one memories about my ex, because my ex suggested me to read this story. Yeah, that's from Bandung town, Bandung City. You know Bandung, guys. Bandung is famous. I have a dream for live at Bandung City. I don't know. It's a really good vibe there, and I really like here the language. Yeah, Sunda language. I'm really like to hear Sunda language. So I'm so interesting about Bandung. And then yeah, Bandung is very cool maybe like North Lombok. I don't know. Cause yeah, sometimes people say like so very cool and afternoon is very hot there. It's really same here. And guys, uh, Bandung is back from my ex. That's why I really wanted to go. Yes, I'm still chat with his until now. My ex, cause we are not one to lose contact. We just as a ex and not lose contact. Still talking in social media. I'm so really happy because we mature. It's not for being hated until we as a ex guys. We become friend now. It's very. I'm not expect he's going to talk with me again. And yeah, Bandung have so many friendly friend. That's why I'm so very happy to find my friend from Bandung. Like so many my friend from Bandung guys, and I learn more about language from Bandung. So long I learn until I'm understand to use this language and makes me very wow so happy to knowing this city. The novel from Bandung is like yeah uh I just remember this novel before as a novel. It's just like a sentence from Twitter. Yeah, I just read so many until end. It's make me feel like so sad. Feel sad to read this story. Just so really creative. Yeah, the idea is expensive. I think. Yeah. Why this boy find a red flag girl? That's why make me like so really not want it. The girl is very red flag, guys. I don't know, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so long to with you, yapping with you. I'm so happy to tell you a story today. So let me close for this video. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for your attention.